Rich, tangy, full of spice, and full of history. We're cooking Denningvleis, Cape Malay style. Denningvleis originates from Cape Malay community, which significantly influenced South African cuisine. I'm here to demonstrate how to cook Denningvleis. Start by heating some oil and browning your lamb. Once it's golden, set it aside. In the same pot, saute chopped onions, garlic, and ginger. Now we go in with spice: cloves, allspice, nutmeg, mustard seeds, and bay leaf. A pinch of salt, add tamarind paste for that signature tang, and a touch of brown sugar to round it out. Return the lamb to the pot and add water. Traditionally slow cooked, but today we are using a pressure cooker to get that same deep flavor, just faster. So now about 4 whistles in the pressure cooker. Then let it rest and simmer, just to bring all together. That's Denningvleis. Rich, tangy, tender, and totally unforgettable. Serve it with yellow rice or just some crusty bread to soak it all up. Try this recipe at home and bring a taste of South African right to your plate. Tag me if you make it. I would love to see your take on it. Join me next time as we discover more delicious food around the world. Until then, happy cooking.